This is the color from Golden Laser, a professional tube laser provider. Next, I'm going to show you what the largest professional wide coverage tube and wire Düsseldorf exhibition. And I'm going to show our booth. Let's go. You can see this hall 6. Actually, we located in this hall, and the booth number is E14. Let's go. This is our booth. That's taking you to the right. You can see this big machine we call Mag 3. It can the 12 meters loading system and 12 unloading system. Each single tube we can bury max the 1.2 tons, and also every like round tubes or square tubes, all kinds of tubes. This load system can all fit. So under this part, you can see we have 3 trucks. Each truck has the diameter range from 20 to 350, and also we can customize for bigger. And you can see these samples we cast work out and display here. So next I'm going to show you our control system. This system is a high engagement PA controller system. It's a CNC buzzer control, and you can see the floor closed. It's a protection for our optical protection. And this controller system can seamlessly connect to the mesh system. So for most manufacturers, it's very useful. It's our Golden Laser team. Let's say hello.
Welcome to Tube&Wire.
So welcome to inquiry. If you have any needs for your impairment, please feel free. Thank you.